Welcome to City Hall News Update, a program that provides a weekly rundown of the city's top news releases, important info, and more super fast. Ghouls and goblins of all ages are invited to visit Fire Station 1 this Halloween from 6 to 8 p.m. as Midland Fire Department hosts its first Truck or Treat event. Local first responder agencies will be on site with their rigs to pass out candy and give visitors an up-close look at their cool trucks. Fire Station 1 is located at 816 East Haley Street. After receiving over 250 naming suggestions, it's time to name the plows. Now through November 4th, residents can vote from a list of 20 top names to be assigned to one of 6 city snowplows. Will Plowdicus or the Big Laplowski see victory? Or will Sweet Child O'Brien and Scoop Dog take the win? Winning names will be announced later in November. Visit the Name the Plow website to cast your vote. Beginning October 31st, crews from Monkalov Sewer Services will be cleaning sewer lines throughout the city to prepare for a sewer lining project as part of the Concept 5 Sewer Improvement Plan. Work will begin in the northwest corner of the city and move west to east. Once an area is complete, crews will install a pipeliner that will repair cracks and extend the life of the sewer system. For a map of planned cleaning locations and more info on Concept 5, visit the Flood Response website linked below. For more info on these topics and even more, check out the city's website under the Recent News heading or sign up for the City Hall newsletter.